Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Now, a while back I tried something, as you may or may not know, some fried rice. And it was an epic fail. Because I didn't know what I was doing. And I still don't.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Listen, we're going to try it again, okay? If you fall off the horse, you get back on. So I've looked up some recipes on the internet, and I figured if this works, I'm going to pass it on to you guys. And if it fails, I'm still going to pass it on to you guys so you know what not to do, all right? Come on, let me share the ingredients I got. Ooh, and we're letting the wok heat up, by the way, because it's got to get hot, okay? So come on, let's take a look. All right, I have some shrimp, some onions, some mixed veggies, some garlic, low sodium soy sauce. Now remember, what did I say? Low sodium soy sauce is reduced. Some white pepper. I have my wok heating up right here. And I also have some 2-day-old rice, and it's dried out. Look at this, you all. It's completely dried out, so all the all the grains are separated. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cook our mixed veggies because they take the longest, okay? And then we're going to chop up our onion and get that going. And then we'll add our shrimp, and you'll see. Oh, and I also got some green onion tails, okay? And we're going to add them last. All right, here we go. Now, first I'm going to put in my veggies and get them going because they're going to take about the longest to cook. Unlike the rice, it's not going to be that long. Now, I've got this wok super hot, you all. So, you might want to stand back. The reason I have it super hot is because these cold veggies, I've got to lower the temperature. So I'm standing way back. Oh, yeah. When you're using a hot skillet or wok, use a metal utensil. You don't want to use plastic because you know what happens? This. Let's stir these around. Oh, yeah. Take our garlic. Put in at least 2 teaspoons. Almost a tablespoon. A lot. See, I like a lot of garlic, so I'm putting a lot in here. Okay. Ooh, yes. I'm going to put in a little bit of white pepper to give them some zing. You don't have to. Oh! And I forgot to mention, I'm going to put in just a drop now. Sesame oil. This stuff is powerful and strong. So you want to put in a little bit, just a little bit. You see that? That's it. That's it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. I wish they had smell-o-vision. Now. Oh, yeah. Lord have mercy. Okay, I'm so silly. Now, let's go over here. Let's chop up our onions and put them in here. I have some leftover onions. What's great about this dish, you can use leftover stuff so nothing is wasted. I mean, it's wonderful. I love it. Put some of these in. Chop up 2 white onions. I'm using 2 white onions because they're small. Otherwise, you can use 1 large. But you know, from what I've seen from these recipes, they're kind of doing it to their liking, their taste. So you gotta, like I said before, make a recipe your own. By the way, these are those food pantry onions I got and cleaned up. Now, I want you all to tell me, do you like this camera angle? Or do you want me to keep using the island? Let me know, because if you want me to use the island, I'll go get a little hot plate. That way we can really see me and the food and everything all at the same time. Okay. I'm so crazy. I keep saying that. Hopefully they won't lock me up. You know, the doctor never let me have sharp things. I'm joking. We're going to put in our onion. Oh, yeah. Keep that wok going nice and hot. Now, we're at the point where we stir them around. We'll keep going around. We're gonna put in. Let's make sure it's open first, because I just got this soy sauce. We're gonna put in a couple dashes of soy sauce. Because everything we're cooking has a layer of flavor to it. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I mean, it smells good so far. Now, I'm at the point where my onions are getting translucent. You know something, if I could speak regular, it'd be amazing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add in our shrimp, because they don't take that long to cook. Okay? And we're not gonna cook them all the way. Just enough so that when we add them to the rice, they don't overcook. And notice I've never turned the fire down. I've kept it going. Okay? You see how the fire went down a little bit? Because I added these cold shrimp. Okay? Now, when the outside of the shrimp looks like it's pretty much done, that's when we're going to take this out, transfer it to this pot, just to hold it while we start frying the rice. Then we're going to add it back. Okay? Oh, yes. Yep. This is how you want it. All right, let me put this into here. Now, you are not going to clean out your wok in between cookings, okay? What you are going to do, put it back on this fire. Put a little more oil in here, okay? About 1/4 a cup or so. Do it around. Let it start cooking. Put in a very little bit. Well, that's sesame seed oil. So we're gonna take our rice and we're gonna crumble it in. Y'all hear that? You don't want any clumps, so crumble it in. If you see any clumps, chop them up, okay? Get the rice going. I see this one gentleman put his rice like around the sides. He says that the heat of a wok goes up the walls too. So you're cooking the entire thing. I'm gonna add in some more garlic, because you know Uncle Chris loves his garlic. I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup, maybe not 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup soy sauce. Now I'm gonna add our good stuff to it. Our shrimp, veggies, and onions. Oh, let me let this cook for a minute. I'm gonna add our onion tails. I'm gonna chop them up as fine as I can. Trying to hurry because I don't want to burn my rice. But these here cook quick because it's so thin. All right, hold on. That gives us that authentic flavor. A wonderful taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the nephews. I almost forgot to put the egg in here. Oh. I'm putting 2. All right. So this is done. I'm gonna show you how it turned out. All right, nieces and nephews, here goes nothing. Oh, this looks hot. I don't know where to start. Oh yeah. Unexpected. I think the problem was last time I added too much liquid, but this is good. I'm gonna put some sweet and sour on this. I'm gonna go to town. I want you to like, comment, subscribe. All right, write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. All right. I love you guys. Tune in for the next shows. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got